In this video, I will show you how to upload my video on Canva. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on canva.com. Now I've currently got a blank design loaded through. Now to go ahead and upload your own videos is really easy to do. What you're going to want to do is come to this toolbar on the left hand side and you want to look for the uploads icon, which is just over here. So once you've clicked onto that, the next thing you're going to want to do is come and click the purple upload files button here. Then what you can do is go ahead and locate your video that you want to upload from your PC. So I've got this video here of a waterfall. So what you're going to want to do is double click this to start uploading. And as you can see, that's currently uploading. You can see the bars currently going through. Now you would have noticed at the top, we've got images, videos and audio. So it's actually switched to videos. And this way you can come to find all the videos that you've uploaded. So it's just going to take a second to do this. And as you can see, the video has now finished uploading. So what you can do is simply drag and drop this onto your design, and that's going to add our video to this design. Now what you can do from here is resize the video if you want to. Of course, if you want to get rid of the video, make sure you click onto the video and you're going to see the trash can icon underneath to delete. And that is basically all there is to it. But the important thing to remember is when you come across to uploads, you want to come to the top and make sure you clicked onto videos to find all your uploaded videos. So that is how to go ahead and upload my video on Canva. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial and I will see you in the next video.